anytime you need some quick cash, quick money, this is a great spell to do. All you're gonna need is a blue candle. You can use the 7-day candles or, you know, the taper candle. Doesn't matter. That just comes down to your preference. And you're gonna need some fast luck oil and the Bible, of course. So what you're gonna want to do, you're just gonna want to anoint the blue candle with fast luck oil. Read Psalms 81 each day from the Bible until you receive your desires, or you receive the outcome that you want. So that can vary from person to person. You know, one person, hey, it might take them 3 days. Another one, it might take you a week, okay, or longer. I don't know the situation. And also this ritual can also be used to create blessings in the home, okay. So, and I also have the written directions in the description box below. So with this candle magic, when you anoint your candles, you can just do 4 holes, poke 4 holes, okay? And you can use chopsticks or the metal skewers. And that's just, you want to do that so you can pour the oil in there, so you're not just pouring the oil directly into the candle, because that will affect the way the wick burns, okay? So just remember that when you're anointing your candles or dressing your candles, okay? And of course with this one, it's in and out. You know, you just rubbing the fast luck oil on the candle and let it burn and read, okay? So yeah, that's really quick in and out.